Hello friends, in this video we are going to see unknown interesting fact and their answers. Why do birds sing in the morning? Our answer: the first theory suggests that early morning air is coolest as well as driest of the day. This allows the songs of the birds to travel the further. Why do drops levitate? Our answer: when a water droplets fall on a very hot plate, the lower surface of the droplets boils off and turns into steam instantaneously. Steam, being a bad conductor of heat, forms a protective layer in between the droplet and plate. In a way, it insulates the rest of the droplet from the heat of the plate. This vapor eventually slides away, but as the new liquid comes in contact with the hot plate, the same process repeats and vaporizes very quickly, and the drops keep levitating. This is called the latent frost effect. And the drops keep levitating. This is called the latent frost effect. Why do onions make you cry? The answer: onion consists of amino and sulfur oxides. When we cut an onion, millions of onion cells rupture, releasing the amino acid sulfur oxides along with some special enzymes. These special enzymes react with amino acid sulfuric acids to form a chemical called zinc-propanethyl S oxide. This chemical is volatile, that is, it easily evaporates at normal temperature, forming a gas. When this gas reaches our eyes, it reacts with the substance that keeps our eyes lubricated and forms mild sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid gives us a burning sensation. Now, in order to wash off this acid, our lacrimal glands produce a disinfecting liquid. But when our eyes cannot hold any extra amount of disinfecting liquid, it starts to fall down, making us cry. Why can't we smell and taste when we have a cold? Our answer: our nose has specialized olfactory receptors covered in a thin layer of mucus. In normal conditions, the odorants released from food or perfume diffuse through the mucus and get transported to the receptors, activating them and those allowing us to smell. However, when we have cold, our nose produces excess mucus. Hence, the odorants are unable to reach the receptors, thus making it difficult to smell. Why can't we even taste? When we chew food, specialized gustatory receptors on our tongue tell us whether the food is sweet or salty. However, at the same time, odorants from food travel from back of our mouth to the olfactory receptors. The combination of information from gustatory and olfactory receptors gives us a sense of overall flavor. However, when we have cold, as the olfactory receptors cannot detect the odors, we do not get a complete sense of taste and flavor. Why does salt make food taste better? Our answer: salt, which is basically sodium chloride, makes almost everything taste better. Whether it is French fries, certain fruits, curries, or even cookies, we like at least a little salt in all these foods. According to researchers, we have evolved to like salt, maybe because of our bodies need salt for survival. Sodium present in salt maintains our blood pressure, transmits nerve impulse, etc. Whereas chloride is used to produce hydrochloric acid in our stomach. Hence, to obtain salt, we have gradually developed a taste for it. those salt in food makes it appealing and tasty. In adding to this, it is found that salt suppresses bitterness better than sugar. Researchers are not sure how. Some researchers suggest that salt neutralizes the bitter tongue receptors. On adding salt, the brain interprets the taste as less bitter. Why is fluoride added to water? Our answer: according to a prevailing study, fluoride is added to public water supplies. Average concentration of about 1 part per million or slightly below prevent tooth decay. Enamel is the hard outer covering. It is primarily made up of hydropatite. Hydropatite is a compound of calcium, phosphorus, and hydroxide. Now, when bacteria in our mouth feed on food materials, they produce acid. This acid dissolves the hydropatite, leaving behind a residue of calcium and phosphate ions. This results in a tooth decay. Now, when we drink water containing fluoride, fluoride binds with calcium and phosphate ions. The fluoride binds with calcium and phosphate, less susceptible to acid attack. It helps to stop the tooth decay process. This video is useful to you. Subscribe, like, and share this video.